Good afternoon. I am going to explain the Easter holiday assignment on Chapter 9, Revision Exercise 9, Question 47. The question is asking for peanuts A and the cost of peanuts B in how much per kg. As this question have two unknowns, the first step we should do is set up two equations to solve the equation. Let x be the cost of peanuts A and let y be the cost of peanuts B. As you can see in the figure, Formula 1 and Formula 2 has been set by using the math concept of elimination. We can use the equation 3 minus equation 2 to find the unknown of y. Afterwards, we can use the other math concept of substitution to sub y into equation 3 to find the unknown of x. Finally, the equation is solved, and we can find the cost of peanuts A is Hong Kong dollar 32 per kg, and the cost of peanuts B is Hong Kong dollar 25 per kg. After finding the result of the above mentioned question 47, there is a common mistake we normally will make. We usually forget to change the unit of the number provided. For example, in this question, the mixture cost $27 per kg, while for question 1, the left-hand side, both are known in the unit of money. So, $27 per kg should multiply 4 plus 10, that leading to the incorrect equation. Some smart tips for the question. First, always remember to pay attention on the unit. Second, when we use elimination, remember to change the sign of the equation. That's the end of my explanation. Thanks for watching.